Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once and is it possible. So first you just have to launch your Instagram and then go to your profile and then go to following list. Now in order for you to simply unfollow someone here on Instagram, you just have to click the following button right here to unfollow them. But we cannot see or I cannot see an option here that says unfollow at once. So you have to do it manually or you have to do it one by one here. Like tap this following to unfollow them or go to the profile, tap this following to unfollow them. Okay. So if you want to unfollow, like you have followed thousands or millions of people here on Instagram and you want to unfollow them at once because you're tired of doing it one by one here or manually, then I suggest that you ask for a help. Now tap this three lines here, go to settings and privacy, and then here scroll down, look for help below more info and support, and then click report a problem. Now tap this report problem without shaking and then click this include and continue. And then here briefly explain what happened or for example, you can say that please help me and follow my following list at once because there are millions of Instagram users here I have followed. So I want to unfollow them all. And then you could also upload a screenshot or image right here and then tap send or submit. Then wait for the customer service team or agent to help you with this matter and then instruct you on what to do to unfollow these Instagram users. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.